Welcome to this video where we're going to solve a question based on the concept that multiplication of two matrices is not commutative. Okay, so we know that if we have two matrices A and B, okay, multiplication of these two matrices is not commutative. So meaning A multiplied by B is not equals to B multiplied by A. So we are going to use this concept here to solve the question that we've been given here. Okay, so let A and B be matrices of appropriate orders, meaning we can multiply the two matrices. Okay, show that A plus B squared is not equals to A squared plus 2AB plus B squared in general, and give a condition where A plus B squared will be equals to A squared plus 2AB plus B squared there. Okay, so what we need to do here is expand this left side and see if it's going to be equals to the right hand side. Okay, so I'm going to say A plus B squared is equals to, okay, this A plus B squared, okay, is the same as A plus B multiplied by A plus B. So now let's multiply. A multiplied by A to be A squared, A multiplied by B it will be plus AB, and then B multiplied by A to be plus BA, B multiplied by B it will be B squared. Okay, so this is the expression that we have. Okay, and by definition we know that AB is not equal to what? BA. So we can't add these two. Okay, we can't add these two. So in general, okay, in general it means this expression here will not be equal to A squared plus 2AB plus B squared. Okay, why? Because A and B are not what? Commutative. Okay, so that's in general. Okay, so now let's find a condition where this equation here becomes true. Okay, so it can only become true if and only if AB is equals to what? BA. So if you have a situation where your AB is equals to BA, okay, then we say that this here, this equation there is satisfied. Okay, so it will mean that your AB, I mean A plus B squared, okay, will be equals to A squared plus 2AB plus B squared. Okay, so this is only true if this situation here or this condition is what? Satisfied. So that's all for this video. Please like, subscribe, and share this video if it has been helpful to you.